Hey guys, today let's learn how to hide my friends list on Facebook. So if you guys would like to go ahead and hide your friends list on the Facebook application, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And once we're already here, let's go ahead and tap on our profiles on our menus right here. Next, let's tap on our settings right there. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down to the audience and visibility tab. So right here, as you see, we could actually tap on this option and choose the option to change your friends list visibility. So tap on how people find and contact you. And what I want you to do is to tap on this option and who can see your friends list. So if you want to go ahead and hide this, all we need to do to set this is to tap on this option on the drop down and set this to only me. Now, as you could read, this will basically set your friends list to be shown to just you and nobody else. So if you'd like to go ahead and do that, just tap on this option and that's automatically going to be saved. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.